Okay, so we've been talking about the
Yes.
storm potential. Today's the day. I need you to be prepped. No active warnings or watches in place, but this is what we're looking ahead to. We do have that potential for this afternoon and evening, a slight risk for severe weather that includes most of North Texas. Worst case scenario, and this is with the strongest of storms up to golf ball sized hail. But for any severe thunderstorm to be severe, it needs quarter size hail or larger and wind gusts up to about 60 miles per hour. There is a very low end isolated tornado threat. The highest threat, though, will be northeast of the area. So let's go ahead and time this out for you. Most of the morning stays cloudy. Around midday, we'll start to see maybe a few little showers popping in and out of the place. We do have a strong cap in place. That's what's going to limit any thunderstorm production. It's an elevated layer of warm air that really does not allow these storms to form, but that's going to break this afternoon. So around 4, once that dry line approaches, we'll start to see a few of these thunderstorms popping up, isolated at first, better coverage around 7 or 8 this evening, mainly to the west where we had that dry line. This is when we start to see that potential for hail and strong winds. The front is going to move towards the south, and then we'll see these storms kind of linger along that front. This is around midnight. The closer the front gets to us, I'm thinking the severe threat lowers. So when that front pushes around 3, 4 in the morning at DFW specifically, we're going to see a little bit of that lingering shower activity. That front stalls to the south, and that's what keeps another round of rain in the area. Tomorrow morning around mid-morning, around 9 or 10, we'll see another round. And then again tomorrow night, the next round of rain does move in on Saturday. Between 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain looking likely for us. A few areas could see some slightly higher amounts. So again, between now and noon, it'll be cloudy, breezy, and humid. We'll have a strong cap in place, so we may see an isolated shower, but not much activity. Between noon and 4, that's when we start to see some development. Very low severe threat at this point. This is when the cap is weakening, but I need you to be prepared for the strong storms between 4 p.m. and midnight, because that's when I do think we'll see some of that strong activity. And as far as our temperatures go, we make it to about 80 today. We'll be in the 60s over the weekend. We are going to see that rain continue at least through Saturday. All right,